Have you ever felt trapped by your finances, like you're stuck on the first rung of the ladder while others are climbing to unimaginable heights? Today, I'm going to share with you the exact steps to climb the cash ladder, each one getting you closer to true financial freedom. Stick around because this isn't just about money, it's about building the future you deserve. Welcome to Cash Compass, where we explore actionable strategies to help you take control of your financial future. Whether you're just starting your financial climb or you're stuck in the middle, this guide is designed to simplify your path to success. Here's the thing, climbing the cash ladder doesn't require a miracle, it requires a plan. And today, I'll show you how to create that plan and take it step by step. Now grab a pen, because this is your roadmap to financial independence. And if you stay until the end, I'll share a quick bonus tip that could supercharge your progress. The first rung on the cash ladder is simple but often overlooked: understanding your current position. Think of this like GPS. You need to know where you are before you can plan where to go next. Take a close look at your finances. What are your monthly expenses? What's your income? How much debt do you have? Write it all down. It doesn't matter where you start, it matters that you start. This step is where you'll uncover your financial habits, both good and bad. Knowledge is power. And here's the key takeaway for this step. Figure out your net worth. Add up all your assets, subtract your liabilities, and boom, you've got your starting point. Step 2. Break the chains of high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, anything with overwhelming interest rates. These are financial quicksand. Eliminating these should be your absolute priority. But how do you do it? Two popular methods: avalanche and snowball. With avalanche, you tackle the debt with the highest interest rate first. With snowball, you pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins and momentum. Pick the strategy that works best for you and stick to it. Remember, every dollar you free up from debt is a dollar that can start working for you instead of against you. Now it's time for step 3, financial security. You need an emergency fund. Think of it as your financial safety net for life's what-ifs. Like a sudden car repair, medical bills, or, that one time the washing machine decided to flood your entire apartment. Start by aiming for $1,000 as a baseline. Once you've hit that, focus on saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep it simple. Put this money in a savings account that's easy to access but separate from your checking account. And remember, this is an emergency fund, not a new shoes fund. Alright, step 4, it's time to make more money. Boosting your income can fast-track your climb up the cash ladder. We're talking about diversifying your income streams. Start by identifying your strengths or skills that can translate into income. Maybe it's freelancing, tutoring, or turning that hobby into an Etsy shop. And don't overlook passive income opportunities. Things like investing in dividend stocks, renting out unused space in your home, or even creating digital products like ebooks. Here's the golden rule: every extra dollar you earn can be channeled toward building wealth. Don't waste it. Step 5 is where the magic of compound interest comes into play, investing for the long term. Now that you've cleared away debt and built an emergency fund, it's time to start putting your money to work. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. If your employer offers a match on a 401k, that's free money. Don't miss it. Diversify your portfolio with index funds, ETFs, or even individual stocks if you feel confident. Investing can feel intimidating at first, but the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, every rung of the ladder you climb now is setting you up for a comfortable and stress-free future. Step 6. Make your financial habits automatic and simple. Automation is about creating systems that allow your money to work for you, even when you're not thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, and bills. Automate contributions to your retirement accounts as well. This not only saves time but also removes the temptation to skip a payment because, well, life happens. When your finances are on autopilot, you get mental space to focus on bigger goals. It's one of the easiest ways to keep climbing the ladder without slipping down. And finally, step 7. Design the life you want and adjust your goals as you climb higher. The cash ladder isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Your financial goals will change over time and adjust your goals as you climb higher. Do you want to be mortgage-free? Start your own business? Perhaps retire early? The sky's the limit. The key is to revisit your goals regularly and adjust as needed. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about the numbers, it's about the life you can create with them. As you can see, climbing the cash ladder is a step-by-step process. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, commitment. But these steps are achievable for anyone, no matter your starting point. So start where you are, take that first step, even if it feels small. And remember, you're not alone in this climb. Our community is here to support and inspire you every step of the way. Now that you know what it takes to climb the cash ladder, it's time to take action. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and strategies. And hey, share this video with anyone you know who's looking to level up their finances. Together we can inspire more people to climb higher and dream bigger.